Okay, now the One UI 8.5 Beta 4 is around the corner and Samsung has made a biggest announcement, and that is about the all new Bixby which will be coming on One UI 8.5 Beta 4. Now this has been officially announced by Samsung, but for some reason they have removed that page on their website, but there are many media houses who have already reported. Sam Mobile also has shared a GIF which was shared by Samsung and it looks pretty neat. And Tarun What's on X has also tweeted about this particular update. As you can see, the version 8.5 ZZAB. This is the beta 4, and with this, the first point says bugs that have been fixed, applied Bixby update. Now this means that the all new Bixby is coming with the Perplexity integration and it is going to behave something like Gemini. We may get Bixby Live feature. We will be able to interact with Bixby. We can do system related tasks with Bixby, and anything related to web or the internet, any information that you're going to seek will be from Perplexity. That is something which is coming on One UI 8.5 beta. However, there is some doubts about this because Samsung for some reason removed that particular article and it says the page doesn't exist anymore. So that is something to note here. The first exciting news that is about the all new Bixby coming on One UI 8.5 beta 4. The next thing that I want to discuss about is the all new Now Brief widget. This was pointed out by that Josh guy on X, and I'm talking about the all new widget size that we have. As you can see, this is the first size that we have. If I expand this, this was released recently, and if I expand this further, we can get a larger rectangular widget for Now Brief. Now this is something new. So we have got 3 different sizes for the widget. Let me just quickly show you that on the widget section here. As you can see, these are the 3 different sizes, and the third size is now available on One UI 8.5. That's the second one. Next, if you remember, on the Edge panel, we can tap on the settings and tap on panels, and this is where you will find some additional panels. And you can see we have got the people panel here, which is for the contacts, and we also have this particular panel for tasks. So these are some shortcuts from the applications that are available on these different panels. But now we don't really have to add these panels. With the all new Home Up module on the One UI 8.5 beta, we can now tap on the edit button and we can directly add the application shortcuts and the contacts right here on this single panel. Now let's say I will add a couple of contacts here, and I can also add the shortcuts here. Now let me just scroll down here. Maybe I want a new event shortcut, a search calendar shortcut, a new tab shortcut, just for example, alarm shortcut, set timer shortcut, and let's say some display assistant shortcuts. So all the third-party shortcuts can also be added on this panel now. Now you can see we have got all these shortcuts as well as contacts available right on the single panel. So that is something new on One UI 8.5, and this is possible on the all new Home Up that we got, which is compatible with One UI 8.5. I've already discussed about this in my recent videos. I've shared specific videos for this new Home Up. I've also left an APK for that, so you can go ahead and check that out. Let me just quickly go to Good Lock here. Let's tap on Home Up, and here you can go to Edge panels. And on the top, this is the new feature integrated panel. This is where you'll be able to sync apps from app panel. When you enable this, you will get that additional option, the shortcuts and contacts. If you disable this, you will not find that over here. As you can see, there is no shortcuts or contacts option here, and the icons gets bigger. And now it's available right over here, all these 3 options that we see. So that is something new that we have got on the One UI 8.5's all new Home Up. Now I want to talk about something important. This is related to secure folder on 8.5 beta. Now usually to move the images or videos from gallery, we select these images and videos and then tap on the 3-dot button. This is where we get the option to move those selected files to the secure folder. On One UI 8.5, let me quickly show you this. I select a few files here, tap on the 3-dot button, and I get this option, move to secure folder, which is not showing up on One UI 8.5 for some reason. Now I did try to find out if there is any option to enable this, but it is not showing up on this list. However, what you need to do is you need to first unlock your secure folder. Let me just quickly unlock the secure folder here. Once you unlock it, then if you go to the gallery and select these options, select these files and tap on 3-dot button, you get the option to move these files to secure folder. Now, I don't know whether this is deliberately done, whether you need to unlock your secure folder before moving the files to the secure folder. Not very sure about that, but this is what's happening on the One UI 8.5 Beta 3. Once you unlock the secure folder, you get the option to move files to the secure folder. If it is locked, you will not get these option on this menu. Now, like I said, I did try to find out if there is any setting to enable for this option to appear on this menu. But I didn't find that. If I'm wrong here, let me know if you're able to find the move to secure folder option when you select these files inside the gallery. And the other thing that you guys have been asking me is once you exit the application, does the secure folder lock itself? Now, it doesn't lock itself. You will still be able to go to the recents and see the application from the secure folder, but it locks itself once you lock the phone and unlock the phone. That is when the secure folder get locked, but until then it doesn't get locked. But look at the iPhone, see how Apple has implemented this application lock. Now I have locked the Photos application here. It says try Face ID again. Let me try Face ID. Now it is unlocked. And now if I just go to the home screen and then I try to open the application again, it asks for Face ID again. So that is completely secured here. You'll not be able to go to the recent applications and access it. It needs your Face ID scan again. So let me show you this again. You see, I just unlocked it. Now what I'll do is I'll just go to the home screen and I go to the recents application. It again says Face ID is required. And if I try to open the application directly, it again asks for the Face ID. So that's a perfect implementation of secure folder, or let's say secure lock for the applications. But of course, the secure folder works differently. This should have been more secure than just a mere Face ID detection for app lock, because secure folder has a separate space and it is meant for a different purpose. It is highly secured with Knox. It's encrypted folder. So I really wish Samsung has implemented this kind of security. Once you open the secure folder, until you lock your phone, it does not get locked even when you go to the home screen exiting the application. So that's a bummer. Let's hope Samsung fixes this. Now, these are the things which I wanted to discuss with you guys in this video. Now, we are expecting the beta 4 very soon, and we are also expecting the new update for the S24 series and S23 series. I mean to say the security patches. So as soon as we get it, I will keep you guys posted. I hope you have already subscribed to the channel. If you want to stay updated with everything that is happening with your phone, tips and tricks, the new updates, features, and everything, you need to make sure you become a part of this community to stay updated. So go ahead, subscribe, hit the like button if you find this video informative, and do not forget to download our wallpaper application, Volverse. This beautiful wallpaper that you see here is from Volverse application. It's available under collections. There are some premium categories, and this specific wallpaper that you saw is from black and color. And this has got some gorgeous collections. Go ahead and check this category out. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.